Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is the Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. We know the FOMC rate decision will take place at 2 p.m. Today. Tomorrow, the SMB will also announce their rate decision. The expectations are for a 25 basis point hike. The SMB has only raised rates by four successive meetings, whereas the Fed has raised rates 10 or 11 or so times. The Bank of England has raised rates for 14 consecutive meetings. That they are also meeting tomorrow. But so there is that possibility that the Swiss National Bank does go through with their 25 basis point hike. It would only be the fifth one that they have. The rates are going up to 2% only in that country. Nevertheless, the dollar versus Swiss has been moving to the upside since bottoming out in July. This is the 4-hour chart. You can see the trend to the upside here. So the dollar getting stronger, the overall, and the Swiss franc getting weaker through that time period. So, but we are seeing a rotation to the downside here, and that rotation to the downside has come after the price this week has, and last week I guess, has stalled in this area right through here. A number of different swing highs, tried to bang higher, and couldn't. So the ceiling was formed near the 89.82 level. And the price today finally breaking to the downside, making a new low for the week and entering into this swing area here. The swing area defined by a number of different swing lows. I'll just outline the most recent ones here, which formed this floor through here and then became a ceiling, moved to the downside. And trading a couple weeks ago, the price came back up to that area and found sellers, and we did it again here and here. Moved a little bit above it here and fell before moving back above that area through here in the end of last week and into this week right here. We found support. So we are trying to move back into this swing area. And if we break below that level, we'd start to look toward the 61.8% retracement of the move down from this high going back to the month of end of May, I guess, to the low price that we saw in the month of July. The level comes in at 0.8920. That would be the next target on a break of the 89.34 level. And then we start to look toward the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, and the 100-day moving average in particular. That 100-day moving average comes in at 0.88809. Breaking back below that level, we moved above it here 2 weeks ago and then found support against the level before moving higher. But that level is going to be a key level on the downside should there be further momentum in that direction. First things first, however, we need to get below this area right through here down to 0.89347. If I were to take a look at the hourly chart, the current level is also a key level on that chart. And in particular, looking at it, you can see this green line here represents the 200-hour moving average. Comes in at 0.89426. We moved just a little bit below it, currently trading at 0.8948, so we're just above it right now. If the price were to move below, the price needs to get below that level. I said if it were to move, but it needs to get below the level to get see further downside potential along with that 34 level on the downside. Last time the price traded below the 200-hour moving average was back here on September 1, and you can see what happened there. It went below both the 100 and 200-hour moving average and then quickly rebounded, and that started this trend move to the upside here that we've seen over the last few weeks of trading. So 200-hour moving average is a key level of 42, then the 34 level. Get below those levels, opens the door for further downside potential for the dollar versus Swiss. Absent that, and the buyers are still in control, and we look toward the 100-hour moving average at 0.8966 to look as a level to get to, and then we'll see what happens at that level. So there you have it, a look at the dollar versus Swiss ahead of the Swiss National Bank rate decision tomorrow. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.